Oh, y'all, forgive me. I be praying all the time, y'all. What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Yes, I'm staying isolated from everybody, just like everybody else. But I'm still working in my yard. I don't let nobody back there, and don't nobody come over here. Ain't nobody playing with y'all. Okay, okay. Ain't nobody playing. Yeah, back up. You know, y'all be safe out there. I love you guys. I'm doing well. I'm still going to work every day out there, and I'm loving it. You know, I never realized, your job, and you're thinking, what I do is not important, blah, blah, blah. And then something like this happens, and you realize, wow, you're on the front line and you're helping people get through this. Yes, you guys know I work at the hospital here. You guys know. I love you. Thanks for being here. Yes. And then on my shameless plug, okay. Click the like and subscribe button, you guys. Click the like and subscribe. I'm trying to practice on looking at the camera on the other way, okay? Y'all caught that? Okay, okay. But yeah, click like, subscribe, click your thumbs up, click your thumbs down. Just don't do the two middles. I hope not. Okay. I love you guys. Grow something. Get out in your yard. I just want to tell you, be safe. Wash your hands. This is real, you guys. This is nothing to play with. And I just wanted to touch base with you. I didn't make a video today on purpose. Today is going to be Wednesday. And I may skip a day on Wednesday and just tell you guys I thank you for being here. And I love you so much. Love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it. Eat it. You better hurry up and grow stuff. All right. I'm going to be checking on you. Check on me. I love you.